morning, guys. I thought I'd bring you along today as I run around to a bunch of projects and kind of show you what we're doing. We're gonna be going to probably 3 or 4 of our jobs today, so we still are without a truck. We still are without a truck, so I had to run out and get a U-Haul truck. It's not ideal, but it works. I'm excited to finally have a way to work. First up, I'm gonna be at Powell Boulevard picking up some stuff, some tools from our trailer, and hopefully I'll be able to do the landscaping over at our Heather Glen project. So I hope you enjoy coming along. Looks like we got even more siding coming in. Did you decide to do the whole wall? Or we find more stuff?
It's all rotted here. All rotted up there. We're gonna, because it's already open.
Yeah.
We can raise these 2x6s to fit the windows.
Oh, and just keep the ones we have. All right, perfect. This house has been a siding nightmare. Now I am at Heritage. We've been waiting for this guy to sell for quite a while, but one of the things the new buyer is requesting is that we get rid of some paint overlays on this deck. Basically what you're going to want to do when you're looking to paint a deck but maybe not fully, what you can do is take a razor blade, take a sample of the deck, take it to Home Depot, and they'll match it for you. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a little bit of this deck, then go get 1 can of paint and be able to refinish this deck with the same color, hopefully. Here we are. So finally, it's about lunchtime, and I'm actually finally here looking at, going to be doing landscaping today. I'm going to be landscaping this. But right now, we have some contractors inside working on the kitchen, so let's show you guys that. What up, Mike? Ooh, your hair's so short.
Hey.
Is that, are you not shaving?
Well, it's already started to grow. It's too.
Well, now I am at the dump, trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff that I picked up at one of the job sites. Not my favorite place to be, but it should only take me a minute to get rid of this, and we'll get back to the landscaping. All right, I am back, ready to transform this yard. Something beautiful. We'll leave these. They're too nice to get rid of. This is going to be different. Alright guys, so I've put down the rock and a lot of the mulch at this point. Won't be able to put down sod today, so you'll have to check back on Instagram to see the full before and afters. Right now I'm going to be putting down some lime. I picked up lime to get the pH level of the dirt ready, and then we're going to end up putting some sand down, and then later this week hopefully we'll get the sod placed. But this is the stuff I'm using right now. We're using the Lily Miller Super Sweet Lime. Covers 25 pounds, covers 2,000 square feet. What I've got here is probably closer to 400 feet, so I'll probably only use 5 to 8 pounds of the lime, just spread it all around here, watering it generously to get it into the soil, and then in a couple days later this week we'll take up the lost bits of the grass, and then we'll head to put down sod. This is what I did today. Got this rock all laid in the pattern we were wanting, and then it converts over into mulch along the house, and then I went all the way around the corner and mulched it in until the deck. We're still building the deck at this point, but that's where we got to. So that's it for my day. I'm back returning my rental truck. It was nice for a day, but desperately need to get back into my own truck as soon as possible. Thanks for coming along. Let me know in the comments below if you want more vlogs, if my days interest you or if it's totally boring. Make sure to check us out on Instagram and subscribe here on YouTube, because we're gonna try to be putting out a lot more content coming soon. So thanks for watching.